Okay, here we have a great big turtle. Just crossed over the road. He looks awful old. Look at his... Look at his legs. Isn't that old looking? Quite a big fella, huh? See how big his leg is? He's holding still. Probably in hopes that I wouldn't notice him. Hi there. You're an awful big fella. Aren't ya? Yeah. You gonna move? Or you just gonna keep an eye on me, huh? Yeah, you like some flowers? Huh? Want a little bit of greenery? Oh, picking up his back. Yeah. Look at him. Oh, he picks his back up. Isn't that fun? Oh, look at his back legs. You've seen the front legs. Look at his tail. And back legs too. God, they look old. Yeah. Tickle, tickle. Whoopsie. He's tipping. Whoop. He's gonna move. Oh, he wants to turn around. You don't tickle me. You see him moving? There he goes. He says, I want to see you. What are you doing? Yeah, what are you doing? Yeah. Just wanted to get a good view of you. Had to have you move around so people would know you were real. Yeah. Just sitting there like that, that's not too much to you. Yeah. So they got to see you turn around. Wow, look at the claws on that back leg. Holy smokes. I didn't know they had such claws. Wow. Look quite the old one. You got claws and everything else. Looks like you got one missing though. Yeah. So what do you think? You want some food? Just gonna move a little bit. Here you go. All right, we'll leave you alone. Just want to show the viewers. This is gonna go in the kids video page so kids can see how big you are, how your legs look, how you got the back claws. All right, hope you've enjoyed my bringing them to you. Bye-bye now.